Welcome to Mystical Minds. I'm your host, Jamie Gerard, and today I will be reading poetry and prose from Danny Martin Gerard. He's the author of the Poetic Cues trilogy. You can find his work at dannygs.fortoday.com or Mystical Minds YouTube channel and podcast, co-owned with myself, Jamie Gerard. Claim it now. When opportunity knocks at your door, believe in your worthiness and can-do spirit. You worked so hard to be where you are today after long, hard nights, perseverance, and faith. You flourished and called it your own. Now you're standing next to it, so claim it now. Thank you so much, Danny G. That was powerful. And now, I'd like to take a moment with you. So if you're able, please close your eyes and think about 3 things you're grateful for in your life right now. I am grateful for my wife. I'm grateful for a friend visiting. And I'm grateful for a new program. What are you grateful for? Now, take a deep breath in. Just let it out. With love. Thank you so much for listening. Have a beautiful day.